Hi, my name is Terry Clark, and I'm a certified personal fitness trainer. And today I want to talk to you about something really important. Okay, the biggest mistake that folks make when they're trying to build muscle. Okay, so everybody knows that protein is what's needed to build muscle, along with working out. Okay, but the mistake that a lot of people are making is that they're just focusing in on one of the components and not focusing in on all the components together. So actually, you need three things to build muscle. You need a calorie surplus, you need protein, and then you need the workout to stimulate that protein and the calorie surplus. Okay, so the way it's supposed to go is when you're trying to build muscle, what you need to do is you need to make sure first and foremost that you're getting enough protein for your body weight. So a guy that weighs around 200 pounds, he wants to eat, around 200 to 300 grams of protein. So you want to eat as much protein as you can. Okay, but you also want to make sure that you're eating that protein in context with a calorie surplus. Okay, so if you're 200 pounds and the amount of calories you need to maintain your body weight is 3,000 calories, then you need to eat 200 or 300 calories above that. Okay, and not only do you need to fit the protein in there, but you need to make sure that not too much of those calories are coming from carbs. Okay, so you need to have a right amount of carbs in there. About 10% carbs in there. Okay, 10-20% carbs, and then the rest needs to come from fat. Okay, so you need to make sure that you're getting the protein, but you're also getting a calorie surplus. Without stacking up too much on the carbs. Okay, and then you need to bring your workout in there as well. Okay, so those three things need to be done in conjecture with each other. Okay, lift the weight, based upon the protein. In fact, what you need to be doing is you need to be thinking about while you're eating how much weight you want to lift and how much muscle you want to build. Okay, so you need to have a progressive overload. So let's say, for instance, if I'm wanting to build muscle and I'm 175, 180 pounds, and I decide I'm going to have about 225, 230 grams of protein. So I'm going to increase my protein intake about 20% from where it normally is. Okay, then I'm also going to want to increase my calories as well. Okay, but I want to hold those carbs down. Okay, so I'm thinking about all that in between my workouts, and I'm thinking about it after my workouts as well. When I get out of the gym, I'm looking to swallow about 30 grams of protein. Now, when you start talking about that much protein, getting the protein in the right mixture, you're gonna need supplements like protein shakes and protein powder to get that done. Okay, it's not uncommon for when I'm working out and I'm trying to build muscle. It's not uncommon for me to have protein in terms of meat, and then also have a protein shake stacked with it. So in my dinner, my plate's like half protein, okay, and also drinking a protein shake as well to make sure that I'm getting the right amount of protein. But I know at the end of the day that my calories have got to line up. Okay, I've got to have more calories to put my body in an anabolic, state. Because the body is smart. Okay, our bodies, have been around for thousands of years. Okay, when I say thousands of years, it's because the cells have been passed from one generation to the next generation, and those cells remember, so they know exactly, what to do. Okay, and so if you have a simplistic approach where you're just focusing in on weights, you're going to fall short. If you have a simplistic focus where you're just focusing in on the protein, you're going to fall short. Okay, you need to have a comprehensive approach where you're thinking about protein, calorie surplus, minimizing carbs, okay, and progressive overloads in your lifts.